Now we will practice a writing activity. Open your test booklet to page 23. Read the directions to yourself as I read them out loud. Directions. Read this passage. Then you will be asked to write at least 2 paragraphs based on the passage. You may now read this passage to yourself as I read it out loud. Title: Protecting Our Night Skies. Picture: orbital view of artificial light in the United States. Many people around the world are concerned about the impact humans have on our environment. While this may seem like a modern problem, over 100 years ago, the U.S. government began to recognize the need to protect its country's unique places. In 1872, the U.S. Congress took a historic step toward protecting and preserving natural spaces with the establishment of its first national park, Yellowstone National Park. In the years following Yellowstone's creation, national parkland was set aside across the United States. The National Park Service was founded in 1916 in order to manage and promote these precious sites. Millions of people visit national parks in the United States each year to enjoy gorgeous scenery, stunning natural wonders, and the opportunity to see wildlife in its natural habitat. What many don't realize is that, in addition to protecting landscapes and wildlife, the National Park Service also assists in the preservation of another rapidly disappearing resource: views of the night sky. Since national parks have been maintained in their natural state, their skies have less light pollution than the skies over areas with houses, cities, and other sources of artificial or man-made light. Light pollution, also referred to as photo pollution, was not a problem when the first national parks were established. Over the years, however, it has increased significantly. Today, light from man-made sources affects the ability of nearly all people in the United States to see the stars, planets, and other features of the night sky. This increase in artificial light is problematic for many reasons. The feeding and mating patterns of nocturnal animals, which are active in the dark, can be negatively influenced if the night sky is too bright. In addition, light pollution can be confusing to migrating birds and sea turtles, which use natural light sources to guide them as they travel. Humans too can be affected by photo pollution. When we are exposed to too much light at night, our mood and sleeping patterns can be disturbed or disrupted. In addition, night sky darkness has scientific and educational value. Looking up at the stars encourages us to learn about the universe and our place in it. Educating the public is one of the ways in which the National Park Service works to protect the night skies. Many national parks offer nighttime tours or stargazing opportunities where guides teach visitors about the stars. The National Park Service developed the Night Skies program in 1999. This program is led by a team of researchers that evaluates and monitors the park's night skies. By using advanced light sensing equipment, these scientists take detailed measurements of the light in the sky at night. In this way, they can track light pollution levels and the different kinds of light pollution in the parks. The Night Skies program team uses all of this data to find new and better ways to decrease existing light pollution. Through its efforts to solve the problem of photo pollution, the National Park Service shows that it is able to face modern challenges while honoring its commitment to protect its unique environment. Turn to page 26 and look at question 14. Now read the directions below to yourself as I read them out loud. The passage Protecting Our Night Skies describes how the National Park Service works to control light pollution. How does light pollution affect humans and the environment? Write at least 2 paragraphs to describe how light pollution affects humans and the environment. Use your own ideas and ideas from the passage to help you write. You may plan your writing for question 14 here if you wish. Use the space below to organize your ideas about what to write. Your writing on this planning page will not count toward your final score. Write your final answer on pages 27 and 28. Look at page 27 in your test booklet. Notice the checklist at the top of the page. Use this checklist to guide your work as you are writing. The checklist says, write about the topic, plan your writing from beginning to end, use your own ideas and ideas from the passage, support your answer with details, use complete sentences, check your writing for grammar, capitalization, punctuation, and spelling. Read the directions below to yourself as I read them out loud. On the lines below, describe how light pollution affects humans and the environment. Remember to use your own ideas and ideas from the passage to help you write. Notice you have 2 pages to write, and this should be at least 2 paragraphs. When you finished writing, check your work, and then you'll put your pencil down, close your booklet. Do you understand what to do? Do you have any questions? You may begin.